Alright guys, so it has been quite a while since I've updated you guys with what is on my station. I know some of you guys watch my channel religiously and I appreciate that, so you guys probably know what's going on. I'm going to show you guys all the different tools I'm using these days, and I also have a ton of discount codes for most of these products, so you guys can save some money if you want to get these for yourself. And definitely make sure you stay tuned to the end because I have a brand new discount code to share with you guys, and it's one of the best ones yet. So I guess I'll start off with clippers, guys. A lot of you know and have seen lately, I just got the Snap FX. This is Babeless new clipper. You guys know you snap the battery in. You can also take off this front cover so you can clean it easier. I threw a taper blade on it, guys. It does come with a fade blade, but you guys know I like the Babyliss taper blade a little bit better. We'll get to the fusion blade in a minute, but on my Babyliss, guys, usually I rock the taper blade. So this is my Snap FX with the click lever and the taper blade. And just like the Snap FX clipper, guys, I have the trimmer as well. All the same features, basically in your skeleton trimmer. I'm also running the Babyliss Custom FX Foil FX02, guys. So this is basically exactly the same as the FX02 shaver, the black, the gold, any of those options, but this is the custom. So this is the matte gray, or it's not really matte, kind of like a satin gray. This is a custom finish. I just grabbed this thing recently. I didn't do an unboxing or anything, but I already had the black one. This is basically the same thing, just kind of cooler looking. So, all right guys, so that's all I have for Babyliss tools, and you guys can use my code Seancutshair on babelesspro.com or the Custom FX app, guys. That is where you can customize all the FX clippers, trimmers, and shavers, and you guys can save 10% on any of those websites. Again, use that code Seancutshair. Next up, guys, we have the Stylecraft Rebel. If you guys didn't see, I just dropped a new video on whether this was still my #1 clipper or not, and if you guys didn't watch it, you can go ahead and guess. This is absolutely my go-to. This is what I use most of the time in the shop. I use a Snap FX and this, kind of a combination of both, using the taper blade for some longer lengths, and I like to use this to get the bald line out. So again, guys, Stylecraft Rebel, absolutely my favorite. We got the fusion blade on it with the stretch bracket so it can open up a little bit further. So you guys can see this is on my station. I'm gonna get it real close because it's turned into kind of a piece of junk. It got beat up in my G&B bag. The blade gets a little bit crooked. I don't know, I don't really use this, but guys, this is a Stylecraft Evo. It has the filthy mod. That is this green part that you can see on here that allows us to put the FX blade on the Evo trimmer. And like I said, I don't really use this very much. It does cut pretty well, but it's a little bit loud and I don't really love how it works. Next up, guys, we have the Gamma X Ergo. This is my custom lid for my guy Clipper Crafters. I do have a video on those custom lids if you guys want to check it out, but this is kind of my backup, guys. This is the same setup as the Rebel. We have the fusion blade, the stretch bracket, but this has kind of become my backup clipper to the Rebel. The Rebel's never down. I throw it on the dock and it charges, so I don't really ever need the X Ergo. And the last of my Gamma Stylecraft stuff is the Uno shaver. This is what I use really for detail around the C cup or behind the ear, down the neckline. If I'm not gonna lay somebody back and use the razor, I like to use this to clean it up. This is like a $50 shaver, so definitely an asset to have on your station. Now again, guys, I do have a discount code with Gamma and Stylecraft as well, GammaPlusNA.com or StylecraftUS.com, and the discount code is the same as before, Seancutshair, and you guys can save 10% on anything on their website as well. All right, so the last lone trimmer, guys, the Andis Slimline Pro Li. It does have a carbon fiber case on it, you guys can see. Just got that from Omnicord a long time ago, and I've been rocking with it, but this is kind of my backup trimmer. This is for kids. This is what I balled out with, but I don't use this thing a whole awful lot. Definitely not for lineups. This is just kind of my backup, and like I said, for bald guidelines. And unfortunately, guys, I do not have a discount code for any Andis products. All right, you guys can see right here my colored guards. I get a lot of questions on these. These are from Amazon, guys, so just search wall colored guards and you can find the premiums. Make sure they have the metal clip on the top, and you guys will know that they're the premium replicas, and you guys can get these on Amazon. I think they were like 13 bucks. I also have the Babeless Premiums. You guys can see, guys, these are solid. I just don't use them on YouTube because they're not color coded and you guys can't follow along as easy, but I do grab these here and there when I'm cutting throughout the day, and these are absolutely the best guards I've ever felt. Like, these things are absolutely solid. I do like the wall premiums, but if I wasn't using the color guards, guys, I would be using these full time. All right, guys, so for combs, I have all the same combs I've been using before, but I did just pick this up, guys. This is the same as the black one, but this is the Sumi 299. We'll get it close so you guys can see it. This is the white one, obviously, and this is the black one. And then, guys, always the YS Park. And I can't remember what number this is. I just started to get, there it is. This is the 336, guys. So I switched to the 336. It's a little bit shorter, and these wider teeth aren't quite as wide as the 332 that I used before. As far as fade brushes go, guys, this is the Sumi Brush. Years ago, I got this in Long Beach at the first show when I went, and never found them since. So I just saw their booth at the show we just went to and went up, and they happened to have them, so I grabbed a bunch while I was there. But this is an Sumi clipper brush. I don't know if you can get it on the website, but same brand as the flat top combs. Otherwise, guys, I'm using the Stylecraft clipper brush, or my man Marty Blends came out with some clear clipper brushes. These are just like the Andis and the Babeless, kind of those little cheap $2.99 clipper brushes. All right, so as far as what else is right here, guys, we do have the blue CT Barber Expo limited edition shave gel. I don't know if you can get it anymore, so I'm just gonna kind of hang on to this one. It is on my stand and open, but I just re-upped on the green Tomb45 OG shave gel. Of course, I got plenty of this. Standard old neck duster from Sally's. I've had this thing for a little while. I don't know. I haven't seen an improvement on the neck duster. This is the best one I've found yet. If you guys have a dope neck duster that you've tried out that you like better than something like this, let me know. Of course, guys, we got the no drip, we got the black, brown, and the onyx. I still use level 3 hairspray. That is just kind of the cheapest one I can get. We are a vendor for level 3, so I can order this stuff for next to nothing. This is Victory Crown Volume Spray. I like to just kind of spray this in. It kind of dries up all the oils in the hair and gives it a little bit more texture. Almost like a styling powder, but this is more like a hairspray. I have also been using Statement Grooming Spray, guys. This is a fire product, so I just spray this in before I blow dry. It will dampen the hair, kind of protect it from the heat, and also give a little bit more of a finished style, just a slight amount of hope. Also, you guys know Tomb45 Pure Powder. This is what I like to put in after I would put some in my hair, like right now. Kind of shake it out and get that finished textured look. Of course, we got the Cool Care, the Air Duster. Matter of fact, guys, a lot of you asked what this was on one of my Instagram reels, and guys, this is just canned air, so you can get this to clean your keyboard at the house. For computers, that's really where it's at. So look in the electronics section, kind of get in those crevices and get the hair out of there. Standard water bottle and alcohol bottle, and guys, I do put some level 3 aftershave in my alcohol to make it blue, make it smell a little bit better. I do most of the time use the blue aftershave. I did just pick up the green just because I wanted green in my bottle. But honestly, guys, I like the blue better, but they both smell pretty good. And you guys know I got the mister from Fort Worth Barber Supply. If you guys want to check it out, they do sell out quite often, so head over to fwbarbersupply.com. And if you guys want to cop one, hopefully they're not sold out. So I just actually bent my straight razor and I had to make a Frankenstein. So now we have the Tomb45 triple cartridge. I have the black handle and the green, well, I don't know what that part's called, but basically we put 2 parts together to make the Frankenstein Tomb45. I'm gonna get another one next chance. I'm at the warehouse or at a show, but this thing will work just fine. You guys see I use the exposed blade, so the blade is all the way out. All right, so not much has changed with my shears, guys. These are my 5.5-inch fresh shears. I did add the green thumb grips, guys, and I really think these things work a lot better. I barely have to put my thumb in and I can really get some movement out of the shear without putting my thumb into it. So if you guys haven't checked out these thumb grips, they are available on freshshears.co along with all the rest of these shears. These are my 5.5s, guys. These are my standard ones. This is what I use every day, all day. This is my 40 tooth, just your standard thinning shear, guys. This is what I use when I just want to clean up some weight on the edge, some bulk on the edges and blend things together. This is what I would use. Next up, guys, this is the Comma 21. Basically, guys, this thing has less teeth, a little bit chunkier of a thinning shear, and this blade actually is blunt, so it's not even sharp. You guys can see I can run my finger on it. These are sharp, and I'm not really sure, I don't really remember the reason behind that, but this is a super cool shear. You can stick it right in the hair, whip it out, and it will not yank any hair. These things cut super well. Last but not least, guys, on the fresh shears, this is my slice cutter. So when I did my wife's bangs, fresh shears hit me up and said, man, you need to have these slice cutters. Basically, guys, this is for doing that slice cutting. Maybe you've seen like Philip Wolf do it. It's definitely more of a stylish thing than what we do. So I don't use these a lot, but they're super cool looking, super rad. You guys see they're kind of bowed out in the middle, kind of big, kind of solid looking shears. So honestly, I wish I could use these for my main shears, but because they're slide cutters, they just push hair out of the way. Now I do also have a 7-inch fresh shear, and my guy DC is using it. His shears were absolutely terrible, so I let him use those for now. 7-inch is not really used to be standard all day hair cutting, but he's using them for now, and hopefully if he likes them, he's gonna reach out and grab him a pair of fresh shears. And I forgot, guys, I do have the feather razor from Fresh Shears as well. Super quality. We got like a rubber matte grip handle, and of course it's like your standard feather razor. And guys, I do have a code for Fresh Shears as well. It is Seancutshair, or you can click the link in the description and you guys will save 5% on 1 pair, 10% on 2, and 12% on 3. Basically gonna get you free shipping and a little bit more. Last but not least out here, guys, I have the Dyson blow dryer. You guys know I did go back to the Dyson and I'm loving it. Just like to have nice tools, guys. You see I have everything else super nice and quality, and the $40 Bison did just fine. I know some of you guys bought it and we're sweating that, but I just wanted to have the best of the best, and so I picked the Dyson back up. So that's pretty much it out here, guys. I'm just gonna open my drawer and kind of see what else we got. We got level 3 gloves. I get these again, about the cheapest place I can get gloves. Some more texture powder. I have been trying out these Statement matte products. So one of these is a matte clay. This is a matte paste. This is a dry clay. Been trying them out. Not my favorite absolutely yet, but they are okay. You guys know I have my Marmara Space Wax. Guys, this is the matte product that I like to use right now. That's what is in my hair right now. It just gives a nice, dry, messy, kind of firm hold, but I can adjust it throughout the day and keep this messy look. We got some fibers, guys. I got some black ones right here. I did get this sprayer on level 3 as well for super cheap. And I just picked up some hair fibers off of Amazon, guys. Everybody always asks me, super cheap off of Amazon. You can get them for like 20 bucks. You can get a bag that'll last you a couple years. Of course, we got the Beam Team XL, guys. I do leave this in the drawer. I take it on the road with me. I have a compressor on my station. Just a little bit easier to keep clean. It has a little bit more air pressure than the Beam. And so just to cause myself less trouble and be easier throughout the day, I do use that compressor while I'm in the shop. It's always here. This stays clean and ready for when I go on the road. I can just throw it in my bag and then we have it to go on the road. Diffuser, nozzle for the Dyson, a couple other nozzles for the Dyson, bunch of guards. That's about it, guys. I guess I'll show you guys this. This is Barber Josh OP's vent brush, similar to my Denman vent brush that I was using before, but he did give me this at his class and I've been using this ever since. Nothing else too significant, guys. Regular pick, wide tooth comb, another wide tooth comb. I do use YS Park hair clips, got some Babeless hair grippers. That's pretty much it, guys. So that is pretty much it for the station, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I have one more discount code for you guys at the end of the video, so I appreciate you guys staying tuned for this. And I'm gonna step back and show you guys my new Ghost Fit Tomb45 jogger set. I don't know what you call it, but we got the full set, guys. So these are Tomb45 joggers. These are my favorite pants I've ever owned. The hoodie's super nice. If any of you guys bought the old hoodie set and did not have a hoodie pocket, so both of these guys, drastic improvement. You guys can grab those on Tomb45.com, and that brings me to my next discount code, guys. From now on, if you use code Seancutshair on Tomb45.com, you will save 10 off of 75. So guys, these are 60 each, 120 bucks. You guys can save $10 if you use my code, if you want to grab this Ghost Fit or anything else on the website. So again, guys, Seancutshair, that is on all the websites, same code, Seancutshair, BabelessPro.com, Custom FX app, Stylecraft, Gamma, Fresh Shears, and last but not least, guys, as well, Illusion. I also have 15% off. Seancutshair 15 is the code. So just want to make sure, I know you guys are buying all this stuff anyways, right? I was always buying clippers, trimmers, capes, everything I could get my hands on. And so you guys might as well save some money while you're at it. So that's why I wanted to share my code with you guys. So all of those codes are on my website. If you guys need help getting to it, go to Seancutshair.com. I have a discount codes page and it has the entire list of all my codes with the links. It will take you to the website, make it nice and easy for you guys. But anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Guys, leave me a comment down below and let me know what kind of content you guys want to see from me. I'm stepping away from the barbershop a little bit in order to make content better and edit better and do all those things so I can take this channel to the next level. So guys, please leave me some feedback and let me know what you want to see outside of just haircut tutorials. I can show you guys whatever I can do in the shop, any of the knowledge I have from the past opening a barbershop. So just let me know. If you guys liked it, make sure you smash that thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, guys. Turn on your bell notifications so you guys don't miss any content from me. I appreciate all of you watching this video and I'll catch you guys next time.